Hi, welcome to the new crypto and portfolio monitor, which allows you to view all the cryptos in parallel. And so to start, you go to the website. Here's the link, and then you just click on the download link. And then when it downloaded, then you can go here. You can see here there's the complete download, and then we just start it. And then we click on more info from the protection OS, click on run anyway, and then we allow the installation. Here's the setup, and then we go next and agree. There's the location, and then we run it. And then there's a little initial setup, just a few seconds. And once that's done, automatically it will start up the new crypto portfolio monitor and load a sample, just a fictional sample portfolio with the 6 top cryptos. Bitcoin, of course, we have 20 cents, average 25,000. And then Ethereum, we have 3 Ethereum, 1500, and 300 Solera at $20 entry, average. And then the Binance 4 with 250, and then we have 8,000 Ripple with 40 cents and 10,000 Cardano for 30 cents. And then the program automatically updates, as you can see, in real time. When it's green, like Solera here, then the price increased from the last tick. And when it's decreased, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, then it's in red. And then automatically the value is calculated for each position, and of course the total. And it compares that, of course, to the cost. How much did you pay based on those entry prices? And then you get the profit loss, nice hefty profit loss. And you can see also the highest and the lowest value during that period. We have here 2 months look back, so we're looking at November and December basically, a little bit of October and early. And then you can see when we move the cursor, it automatically knows here the Solera, and then here we have Cardano, and then here we have Ethereum and XRP, and then Bitcoin. You can see how they all compare. So basically they all are pretty 30% in those 2 months. But then Cardano 120%, more than double, and the Solera even more double. So that's the power. You can see actually the development. First Solera was going ahead, and then Cardano almost matched it and then took off. And now the great thing is you can actually enter, you can just type in, let's say we bought some Bitcoin, now we have from 20 cents we have 30 cents, and instantly the portfolio is updated. Also, let's say you bought it for a little bit higher, so now your average is 28,000, and instantly you are updating the values accordingly. And that you can do that for any of the things. You just double click on the symbol, and you can see when you double click it also, because sometimes when there's a lot of symbols it's hard to see what is what, so you just double click, or here Cardano, and then it will emphasize that particular crypto. And you can also go here and then right click on the symbol and then do a thick on and then thick off. That's a nice menu here. You can toggle each symbol accordingly. And then you can also add a new symbol. For example, if you want to add AVAX, you just type in a symbol, and then it's adding it, and then it's repainting everything, because as you can see, AVAX is going even higher than Solera, which changes the whole scale. And we can enter here, let's say we bought 100 at, let's say, $20 each, and now we have another nice profit here. Sorry, in here. If it's too much of a stretch for the scaling, you can hide, excluding it from the chart, so that then it goes again normal. So if we exclude also Solera, then you can see it's scaling automatically for the new reduced set without the crazy. And if you want, you can reset it to go back to normal. There we go. And then you can also invert. For example, if you want to just have AVAX alone, then you can do that. With AVAX is not much difference, but with Bitcoin, for example, if you want to just see Bitcoin, you see now we actually see Bitcoin, because that was only in those 2 months getting 26%, but now you can actually see it much better. And when you hover it, you can see that was 38,000, and then it went to 42,000, then it was scratching on 44, 45 even almost, and then went down in the range as usual. But that's a nice feature where you can pick out one symbol. We mentioned the double click to emphasize it. Then you can also change the color. That's a nice one. For example, Bitcoin is golden here. If you wanted to change it a little more red, then you can change it here. You see now it's red. That's one thing which doesn't reset, because that's the thing you want to usually keep. So if we change the color back to golden again, here there's golden here, then it goes back to golden, and that's for any crypto. One powerful feature is the portfolio. So we are not just tracking the individual cryptos, we are also seeing, we have this thick green line here, which is showing you the value of the overall portfolio, not each individual, but the total value of the portfolio, which is now 68,000. We can see here 73,000 at the peak here. You see it at the end, 73,000. It shows here here's the range, 69,000. And then it shows you, you can see, depending how big the positions are, but you can see that the green line is kind of moving with the cryptos, but depending on the big size of the position, it's like a pool. This is the portfolio, and you can see early on it was actually in the negative territory for a little bit. There were a few days when it was down from the initial prices, but then it recovered nicely. So that's a nice feature here. You can see, you can also you see exclude it, then it's excluded again like the other one, or you can invert it, then you can see just the portfolio with the current price. There you see 69,000 give or take, and there was the red period where it's below, where you lose it, where you're in the red for a little bit, but then it recovered nicely. Thank you, that's a great introduction. Talk to you soon at the next video. Bye.